Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be painting a simple landscape with some trees and birds. I started off with pre-wetting the entire paper, but this time for pre-wetting actually I also used a little bit of the pigment, quite light, mix of black and a little bit of the blue. And for this painting I am using my new set of watercolors. This is Cozy 2nd edition, so these watercolors are soon going to be available in my shop, so stay tuned. I will let you know when they are available. As I said, I did add a very light wash of mix of blue and some deep brown, which I used to create this grayish tone. And then on top I'm painting in some trees in the distance that are going to be blurred, and also some lines for the hills, for the snow, or maybe a lake. And afterwards I left it to dry completely, and now again mixing the same colors, a little bit of that blue and a little bit of warm brown to create this grayish tone. And I'm adding just a tiny bit of the black. And for this I will be using brush from Lebenzon. I will link it in the description, so if you want to check it out you will find there the link. And those brushes are amazing, handmade brushes, so make sure you check them out. I'm definitely, if you are in the market for new brushes, I definitely recommend those special handmade brushes. Actually I started with the black. I painted in the trees with black, and then just with mix of those colors with that blue and brownish tone, a little bit of the black, I've just moved that paint downwards to create the foggy feel. So just painting in the trees, and I'm not even trying to paint them perfectly. They are far in the distance, so not every single detail is going to be visible. And with the grayish tone I'm just softening it downwards and creating the feel of the fog. Going on the right, I'm adding a little bit less of the paint. I do want to make those trees a little bit less saturated, make them look like they're even further in the fog. Maybe there is more fog there, so just adding a little bit more again of that grayish tone. And this is going to be a quite loose painting, so don't be bothered with every single detail, just let the watercolors do their thing. And right now with just the clean water I'm softening the lower edge and just adding a little bit more of the details to the ground. I'm not really sure what that is. Maybe some water, lake, almost frozen, maybe some meadow with snow on top, or some fog on top. I'm not even sure myself. So just adding first very light wash. This is now completely dry paper, so I'm painting wet on dry, and I'm just adding a little bit more of the pigment here and there to those lines that I made. And now just a little bit, tiny bit of the black also on some parts of those lines. And now with this detail brush and black mixed in with a little bit of the blue and a little bit of the warm brown, I do want all those colors in here. I don't want my birds to stand out, so I mixed again same colors as I did use previously, and I'm painting in some birds in the sky, just facing different directions, but they will all be in one line. Some a little bit bigger, some a little bit smaller, like they're a little bit more in the distance. and just a couple of very small ones at the corner. And with that, I'll be finishing off this painting in this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. This is very simple landscapes, very loose landscapes, so I thought I'll share this process with you. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, share it, comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome, and I would really appreciate that a lot. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!